A beautiful green lawn is the pride of every homeowner. Make your lawn the envy of all your neighbors with these simple lawn restoration steps. First, you will need to remove any dead roots and grass between the existing plants. This is called dethatching. Smaller areas can be dethatched by hand using a thatching rake. For very large areas, you will want to use a toe-behind dethatcher. Next, test your soil's pH. A rating of 6.3 to 6.8 is ideal. To raise the soil pH, add pelletized lime. To lower it, use soil sulfur. The next step to prep your lawn is to fertilize. Use a starter fertilizer, like Menards Premium. This will help maximize root building of new grass seedlings. Now you are ready to reseed. Choose a seed variety similar to your existing lawn to help ensure that it will blend naturally. Apply the seed at half the suggested rate in one direction, and at half the rate in the other direction. Water your seeds. New seedlings need to be watered at least twice a day. Continue at this rate until the seedlings are at least 2 inches tall. Once your new grass is 3 inches tall, it can be mowed. Make sure your mower blades are sharp. Keep your lawn looking great with a regular feeding program, like the Menards Premium Lawn Fertilizer System. After following these steps, your lawn will look beautiful in no time.